Look at how awesome this cracked wheat sweet dish has turned out. Enjoy on a rainy day or just any time. Let's see how to make it. Come on. We will first start with roasting few cashews until nice and golden. I'm roasting on low heat to keep an even color. Now these are ready. Keep them aside for a while. Now this recipe calls for a bit more ghee than usual, but it's totally worth it. This is cracked wheat and it's easily available in the market. We will roast this on medium flame until nicely toasted and golden in color. It takes some time, but the end result is awesome. We will still need to roast this a little bit more. This is the color we are looking for and now it's perfectly roasted. Add water very slowly as it will bubble out and burn. Now we will need to cook this further, so give it a good mix and bring to a low boil. Eventually, all the water will be absorbed. Cook on medium flame. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I'll be posting in the future. Now let's see how this has turned out. All the water has been absorbed and it's fluffed up and it's doubled in size. The ghee has also been absorbed completely. Now adjust the sugar quantity as per your taste. Just mix until all the sugar melts. Perfect. At this point, we will add the rest of the ingredients. You can use any roasted nuts you like. Give it a good mix and we will see a layer of ghee floating on top. Cover and cook this until all the sugar has been absorbed and the cracked wheat is nice and fluffy. This looks amazing and the aroma has filled throughout the kitchen. It may look slightly runny, but it will firm up as it cools. Perfect for everyone with a sweet tooth. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.